Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Molly Sijan, HR Manager of ABC Bank Limited. I would like to welcome you all to our today's orientation program of newly recruited management training officers. At first, I would like to congratulate you for your tremendous success. Over the last 2 months, you have participated in various exams and skill tests, and you have been selected out of 5,600 applicants. Now, I would like to talk about ABC Bank Limited. ABC Bank is one of the leading fourth generation bank of Bangladesh. Currently, we are providing very modern IT-based service to the customers. We have over 200 service points, and customer can do banking transaction from their mobile apps. That is why they need not to come to our service points. And a point to be noted that in this corona situation, most of our banking service can be done through the mobile apps or the internet banking. That is why most of the customer can stay at their home and do the transactions. So now at this point, I want to share some points so that you can become a very successful banking professional. First of all, you always need to think that your customer is a good luck, because without your customers there is no point of doing business. So when a customer arrives at your service point, always greet them with a smile and try to take care of them very professionally, and always try to share that you are always there for the customer service. On the other hand, always try to listen very carefully to the problem of the customer, because if you do not listen carefully, you may miss some very important points that is customer is sharing. So when a customer arrives at your service point, at first listen them carefully, note down the problem and try to find out the solution. Another important point is that always try to smile. Try to smile in front of the customer, try to greet them with a smile, try to solve their problem with a very smiley face. Another important point, you always need to be remembered that when you interact with a customer, whether it is through phone call or whether it is through an email or whether it is in person, always try to greet the customers very professionally, because greetings can solve many problems. While giving the customer service, always try to give correct information, because if you provide any misleading information, this will create dissatisfaction among the customers. So, if you do not know any answers, you can always ask the customer to wait. And if you know the right answer, please always tell them the right answer. One of the important things regarding a customer service is that never feel irritated in front of a customer, because you might have a very bad day, you might have an accident on the road while you are coming to the service point, but never consider your customer as a burden. Always try to help them, and they will always become your loyal customer. After giving the service, you always need to share your contact details with the customer. You may share your visiting card, or you may share your phone number, or you may share your email address with the customer. If you share your contact details, next time the customer need not to come to the service point. They will easily call you and get the solution of their problem.